Hey everybody, it's Bruce with Olive Branch. We're here in the Prairie Village remodel that we've been doing. I wanted to show you quickly the foam insulation. It's in, it's finished, it's been shaved, so I wanted to kind of talk through it real quick with you guys. So as you can see behind me, we've got foam in the walls. You can see above me, we even did foam on the ceiling. So everything is completely foamed in here at this project. So one of the big advantages of doing foam right now is simply the fact that we fill every inch of every void. It seals up all of the space between the outside and the inside. So it makes a really nice, tight, efficient wall and, in this case, ceiling. So it's one of the big advantages. I like it over bad insulation right now simply because of that. The R value is about 1 or 2% more, so instead of a traditional R13 in the walls, we're getting about an R14, R15 with an open cell that we did. Closed cell will give you a little bit more. In the ceilings, we're doing quite a bit more than that, which is a big advantage. So again, the main part of foam, the main advantage is the sealing of every cavity. Right now, the price of foam is coming down a little bit, which is great news for everybody, and it makes it a lot more affordable and efficient. So if that's something that you guys are interested in and you want to talk through some insulation questions, I would love to kind of talk through those with you. So hit me up on our Facebook page, our website. Let us know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for checking us out. Have a good one.